Not recorded live in a studio with no audience.
What do we have here? Wait, what was I? There was something I was gonna talk about. What did they get? I mean, hold on. The menu, oh boy, the minuets?
Minute.
Oh, minute! The minutes brought me this QX80, brand new, 300 miles. What did they do? They coated the inside of it. So when them kids get back there and they start coloring and getting crazy, whoop, whoop, whoop. No special toxic chemicals to spray to get the stuff off of there. It's gonna be easier to get off. Then the outside has Ceramic Pro Gold. What is that? That's 4 ounces of hardness. Not a spray sealant that they're doing in them dealerships. Don't get got. And then 1 layer of top coat. Top coat used to be called Light. Light is your hydrophobic. It's that smooth, that, oh my God, the bottle just ran off the hood, or the microfiber just slid off, or the water won't stay on there, part of the coating. Pump the brakes. Water spots. Yes, they're gonna happen. If somebody tells you their ceramic coating is not gonna have water spots, I'm gonna tell you what, they're lying. Because when water evaporates off the surface, it leaves the chemical behind. But ceramic coatings make it easy to get this off, people. I say this over and over and over and over again. On year 3 with clients that are super happy, they love their coating. Do their coatings have some scratches on them? Yes, there's some little scratches, but it's not where I gotta get a machine on it and do like I did when they first brought it to me.